We're here with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are back making a taco dip. But before, in our last half hour, we made these Mexican crisps. We put on some chili pepper, and while we were in break, I thought to myself, you know, that ranch dressing seasoning would be so good in those.
Good idea.
So if you missed that, WIBW.com. But for now, we're going to make a taco dip that's really easy for kids to make while they're on summer break. Something fun to do in the kitchen.
I love that you gave that suggestion because that's what we want kids to do. When they get into the kitchen, they know that when they're making it, they can make those little adjustments. They can use different seasonings or different things that when you just go to the store and buy something, you can't do.
My kid would put Skittles in something like this. We don't want that kind of adjustment, though.
That sounds great. So you have our beginning part here for our taco dip. We have soy sour cream and soy cream cheese in here. You're going to mix that together with some chili powder.
Oh,
yeah.
And that'll be some seasoning for us. Mix that together. And then what we're going to do after he mixes that, we'll put that on here. And then we're just going to layer everything.
Okay.
And one of the great things about doing it like this is that we have just a little bit of the sour cream and cream cheese here. And then the rest of it is going to be vegetables and things that'll be good for the kids. And hey,
You want to
that's
taste
it.
You sure?
I'm
Right?
sure.
Okay, all right. I'll let you scoop it
All
on
right,
there. All right.
I'll put it on here, and we're just going to put that in the center. And this is a recipe that, gosh, all ages could do this.
Right,
and
and all
be
skill
involved.
levels, more
Right.
importantly.
All
Right.
skill levels, that's right. We're just going to put that base on there and spread that out a little bit, and then you're going to put the next layer on, which is the salsa there. Let you do that, pour that on.
Not a soy product, but we can feature all soy products
Exactly.
here. Right,
we have
right.
to combine them with our good Kansas soybean products.
Then
we're going to
maybe
do
some
the
lettuce.
lettuce. Yes, great. Put that on
Having
there.
a Mexican
and this
fiesta
is
here.
a good way to encourage the kids to put on more vegetables and
right,
things.
right.
Okay, now the cheese.
And if they can choose them, then they'll be more apt to eat them.
That's right. And now top it with our tomatoes. Hey,
So it's like that 8-layer dip that everybody brings to picnics this
it
time of year.
is, but this is a healthy version. We're using things that are good for them to eat, and then we'll serve that with our chips.
We got to try it.
Yes, we
Right.
got to try
Oh,
it.
that's
The
a big
taste
bite.
test.
I should have you give someone to Reagan.
thank you.
There.
Oh,
What do you
Gosh,
think?
This looks messy.
I don't know where the recipes are. I don't want to talk with my mouth open.
KansasSoybeans.org and go to the children's section. Get the kids in the kitchen this summer.
Even people with my skill level needs to go to that section on KansasSoybeans.org. All right, thanks, Charlene. We'll be right back.
Get some tomatoes here.